Alright, so my plan for this upcoming grass season is I'm taking this little 200 square foot area behind me here, and what I'm doing today is I'm going to kill it off. I'm going to spray it with 3 ounces of Killzall, my blue dye, so I make sure that I get my side and not my neighbor's side. And then I went out and purchased another spray bottle to make sure that I don't contaminate anything, and this will be specifically for glyphosate. So the plan is I'm going to spray it today, give it a week, come back, spray it again. So the way that I started this project out was I actually mowed it down to about 2 1/4 inches. I then took my Sun-Joe to it to get up all the debris and kind of thin out the area a little bit to give the glyphosate a little more room to get in there and do its thing. I'm also going to be applying Roundup as well. Let me grab that real quick. And I'll be applying this Roundup because it actually works a little bit quicker. I can't pronounce this word, but I'll definitely put it on the screen for you. The component actually helps get down to the roots, and it helps start killing off the roots in the grass a lot quicker. So the order and sequence I'm going to do is the glyphosate, and then I'm going to follow it up with this Roundup. I'm going to mix this up right now and then put it down. I'll be right back. Now that I have the glyphosate down, the Roundup down, I've marked off the area so I don't get it into my neighbor's side. So now time to tell you what my game plan is. So I reached out to GCI Academy, Pete Denny, and asked him if I could try some of his blue heat for my grass here in Southern California, because our temperatures get hot during the summertime. The last few days right now we've been in the hundreds, 105, 106. So I wanted to see how well and how drought resistant Kentucky bluegrass would be. So this is what I'll be putting down on this little square footage, about 200 square foot area right here that I share with my next door neighbor. So this is going to be a trial run to see how well Kentucky bluegrass can maintain itself in Southern California heat. Thanks for watching step 1 of my renovation of my side yard. If you like the content, please hit that like and subscribe button. I'll follow this up with another one in step 2 and show you what I'm going to do from there to actually prepare the seed bed. So like I always say, keep your lawnmower blade sharp, mow often, and keep your lawn in order.